Everybody, welcome back to the channel. Another TFSA Wealthsimple trade portfolio. It is the weekends. We had a full week of trading and it was actually not a bad week. But before we get into the portfolio review, I just wanted to thank everybody who is following on the channel. Last month we had a goal of reaching 400 subscribers and we did hit that goal, which was awesome. And going into November, we're seeing the subscribers keep on growing. So it's great to have everybody following along. To everybody that is subscribed, left me a comment. I really appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button, follow along. It's free to subscribe. It would be great to have you along. Now, let's just jump right into the portfolio. We'll do a quick overview here on the weekend. We had a pretty good week on the market, I think, for my portfolio. All right, here we are. We are in the TFSA trade portfolio. This is using the Wealthsimple app. It's kind of my favorite way to do my trading over the website, but let's just jump right into it. So in the past month, we'll get through on that. We'll just do a quick overview of the holdings right now. We had a pretty good week, so all our positions are exactly the same. We haven't done any more purchases. We did have a dividend come from REI, the RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. We had $2 came in from that one, so we do have a little bit of a balance now, $412, just sitting in cash. But let's go through them. Let's just show how the week actually went. BEP.UN, we were down a little bit on the day, but we actually are up 4.41%, which is nice. CMC. This is Cielo Waste Solutions. This one is still down. We're kind of really not going to pay attention to this one. Let's skip right over that. Greenlane Renewables. This was a great. This had a good week actually. We were down a little bit on the day, but for the week we were actually we were up 6.62% on the week, which is nice to see for Greenlane Renewables. Definitely picking up and helping the portfolio. We were up 7.27% right now on that one. REI.UN. This is the one we received the dividend from. It was $2 added to the cash. We'll invest that when we do the next deposit. For the week, though, we had a pretty good week, 2.92% on RioCan Real Estate Investment Trust. And we're up, it's nice, $50.70, so 9.71%. Nice returns we're seeing on RioCan. RNW, this one, if you've been following along the channel, there's been some issues with the foundations on one of their wind plants in the east coast of Canada, but so it did kind of drop. You'll see on the month here we've had a drop, but we've kind of picked up some of that over the last week, which was kind of nice. We finished the week up 1.64%. We're still down a little bit on this one, 7%, but this again long-term hold. We're going to be receiving the regular dividends from RNW. Solar Alliance Energy, again, this is our long-term solar stock investment. Not much happening on there. We're still down 32%. Just leaving that one sit. Don't have a big position in that by any means, so just going to let that kind of ride out. SOT.UN, this is a Slate office REIT. This one has come up again as well. If you'll see for the week, we're up 7 cents on the week, not too bad. This one always kind of seems to trade around the 5.15 to 5.20 mark, a little bit higher. We are down just a little bit. Our average price 5.29, which I think we'll start to see this hopefully jump up. Well, we'll keep adding to this one. Pays your regular monthly dividends, which is nice to start building the portfolio as well. Telus had a good week as well, 1.9% on the week, not too shabby, 54 cents a share, and we are up 3.39% on our 15 shares of Telus, which is nice. And then the two ETFs in the portfolio. Vanguard VDY. VDY is Vanguard Canadian High Dividend Yield Index ETF, and we are up a total of 8.64%. It had not a bad week as well. If we go back to the week, it was up and down, but kind of 0.92%, 39 cents on the week. We do have 35 shares, so that little bit adds up, and altogether we are total return 118.89, which is kind of nice to see on that one. And VFE, Vanguard S&P 500 Index, this is the ETF we kind of just started purchasing last month. And I've been quite happy with this. We had a decent week. We're up 2.36%, which is nice. We got in on that when it was our average price 98.11, so it was nice to see some gains on that. We are up a total now of $90.88, 5.79%, which is nice to see on a stock that you just kind of buy and get in on. We'll be purchasing more Vanguard VFE VDY on the next deposit for November. I haven't done November's deposit yet. But let's go through. We have, this is Friday. We were up 15.57 this past Friday trading. But as you can see on the week, we were up 2.14%, which is kind of a nice return on the week, $119.68. That brings us up in the past month, $310.83, 5.76%, which is nice to see. Now we're going to kind of change our 3 months. We're only up 34.77. and this is going to be, now we've been doing the portfolio longer than 3 months, which is kind of nice. Still under a year. We just started in April, but we were up 3.35%, $185.10, which is nice to see. And we are the same for the all-time because we're still under 1 year. So that would be the same. Grand total right now, $5,707.83 on the portfolio. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you've made it this far, have to subscribe to the channel. To go ahead and hit that subscribe button, follow me along. It'd be great to have you along. I have had a number of comments as well from other creators on YouTube that have their own channels. I have followed back most of them. If I, for some reason, have missed you, let me know down in the comments below and say, hey, come follow my channel. I will be more than happy to reciprocate the follow on there. If you are watching this and you actually have a channel, whether it's a finance channel or any kind of YouTube channel, I always like checking out new YouTube channels as well. Leave a comment with your channel link and I will go check it out and drop you a line and say hi. Thanks for watching, everybody. We'll see you next week in the next video.